All right, we're gonna be taking out this 4 bolts here, 2 right there, and then 2 on the other side, and then there's a little retainer right there that we're gonna take out, and we're gonna disable this brake booster off from the vehicle. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so we're gonna take out this retainer right here. On this side is a little tabs that stick out, so you're just gonna have to squeeze those tabs here, and then this retainer will come out. Okay, so squeeze that tabs and pull this thing this way, so make sure get it started, and then because of this retainer housing here is hitting this blue tab retainer, we have to push the brake pedal a little bit down and then pull this thing out. If I can't pull it out, there we go. Let's keep wiggling it. There we go. Now that brake pedal is super loose. There's that tabs I'm talking about right here. These are the ears that you need to press, one on each side. Now we're gonna take out those 4 bolts here, and then this brake booster will come out. So we'll take out those 4 bolts. Those bolts are 1/2-inch socket. So it's gonna get a extension like that. And when they're all loose, just use the impact to zip them all off. Alright guys, so the top right corner bolt here, I just used the 5-inch extension, and then on the long deep socket. And alright guys, those bolts are off, all 4 of them. So this is loose. This brake booster is ready to come off. So let's go on the front and let's pull that thing out. Alright guys, so let's see if we could pull this out. You're gonna have to turn this thing sideways. Maybe it's better to turn it this way.